Our thread mills cover a wide range of applications, but there is one thing where we are not good at: short threads. Our row spacings are simply too large, and therefore we are now launching the T2710 with short row spacings for short threads. In this video, we will show you how much faster the T2710 is compared to a single row tool, and whether the T2710 is faster than a multi-tooth tool. We simulate the machining of a valve because these components often have short threads. In our example, we have 12 threads of a diameter of 1¼ inch and a pitch of 8 threads per inch. We are machining a low alloy steel with a hardness of about 250 HP. Alright, let's get started with the single row tool. We ran the tool with 250 meters per minute and a feet per tooth of 0.5 millimeter. It took us 18 seconds to machine a single thread, so we have finished the whole component in about 3.5 minutes. Now to the multi-tooth tool. This tool we will run with a cutting speed of 90 meters per minute and a feet per tooth of 0.15 millimeters. This is already slightly above the recommendation. We have achieved a similar result, about 18 seconds for one thread and 3.5 minutes for the whole component. But now let's see what the T2710 is capable of. We will run the tool with the same parameters as the single row tool. It took us only 7.5 seconds for one thread, so we have finished the whole component in 1.5 minutes. This means that we have reduced the machining time by more than 55%. And despite the high cutting parameters, we have low deflection, so the gauge runs smooth. As for the tool cost, our thread mills are equipped with triangular inserts which have 3 cutting edges. In combination with the wear-resistant TigerTech silver grade, we achieve low tool cost. To sum it up, the T2710 is the solution for short threads, as it combines highest productivity with excellent reliability. The smallest available dimension is M20. Thanks for watching.